Alex, what's up?
Hey Gaspar,
What you doing?
happy to see you again.
What's that?
Well, winter is around the corner, so I drink masala tea to get warm.
Masala tea, that's nice. Can I have a sip?
Of course, you can join in.
Actually, I wanted to have a question about the making of trading strategy, but that'll wait, I guess.
No, there is no need.
How so?
Actually, the 5-step process of making masala tea is very similar to strategy making.
Is it? Wow, that's nice. Then I'm listening to both.
Well, join in.
Let's start. Okay, Alex, so what are the ingredients for your masala tea?
We have milk, tea, ginger, cardamom, and cinnamon.
Okay, do I always have to put them into my masala tea?
It's actually based on one's taste. Same goes for making a trading strategy.
Okay, what do you mean?
To make a trading strategy, you need several things. First, you need to define your style in trading, such as which indicators to use, how to open and close trades. And then finally, you need to identify the art element of risk management, such as the right trading amounts and also setting the appropriate stop losses.
Okay, so are all of the ingredients replaceable?
Let me use this example. I think we already have a video on how to identify your style in trading.
That's right.
With that, you'd be able to define your style in trading in order to understand whether if you want to trade on a 1 minute or a 5 minute time frame. With that, you'd be able to establish whether if you'd prefer to go with trend trading or either way go with indicators. Because there are other indicators that more or less gives you the right opportunity to trade, such as news releases, chart patterns, and even the same indicators as well, technical indicators.
Okay, so if I understood correctly, water and milk are must-haves for masala tea, then the trading style is the basis. The rest are optionals, correct?
Yes, it is. A trading strategy is very essential.
So Alex, how do you actually prepare your masala tea? What do we start with?
Well, first, you bring water to a boiling point.
Water. Then do we start with the optionals?
Yes. So we're going to start with the cardamom.
Okay. How does it correspond to a trading strategy?
Let me use, I think I can explain with my favorite example, which is the Kind Martin strategy.
All right.
So time for ginger.
So Kind Martin.
Yes. So with the Kind Martin strategy, it might be a very good fit if trend following suits your style and also you trade on a 1 minute time frame. I think it's time to put it in. So with a Kind Martin, what happens is that you have the MACD and the parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR helps to define the trend and the MACD helps to confirm that the trend is in its active stage.
All right.
So how do you use this strategy to make signals? Basically, once you have the parabolic SAR switching below the chart
Right.
and the MACD signal line crossing above the zero line, that's your signal for an uptrade.
For an uptrade. Okay. I think I got it. By the way, it seems to be ready, right?
Yes, I think it's time to add a cinnamon.
And cinnamon corresponds to risk management, correct?
Exactly.
All right, Alex, so what do we have to add now and how does it correspond to the realm of trading strategies?
I think it's time to add a milk. To open a trade, you need to decide how much you are willing to spend. The best recommendation is to keep your trade amount below 5% of your account size.
Right.
This way, you can have it all balanced. And secondly, I think it's time to add the tea. So what does this mean? This means that it's time to decide how you are going to close your trade. The best recommendation is that on a fixed time mode, you can use a duration 5 times bigger than your time frame. On the Forex mode, what you can do is to set a take profit of 150% of your trade amount and a stop loss of 50% of your trade amount. This way, you don't risk losing too much, but you risk gaining much more than you've already invested.
I think it's clear.
Yeah. And then finally, I think it's already beginning to boil. And then finally, I would recommend you to trade using this same strategy on your demo account. This way, you'd get to understand which elements to add and which elements not to add, just to find the right fit for you.
Okay, that seems to be very clear. So the preparation is now done, correct?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Let's see. Man, that's awesome.
Do you like it?
Absolutely.
You want the same with a trading strategy. If you like it, keep testing it, and eventually you'll find a fitting combination. And if it doesn't work out, you can always use different elements as discussed earlier.
That sounds like an excellent advice. Everyone, thank you very much for being with us today. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be back to you with more interesting videos like this. Would you keep cooking for me, please?
Most definitely. Feel free to help me.
Thanks, man.